Good morning. It's Wednesday, December. November's gone, John. December 3rd. Feels like, well, except for the weather, it feels like it still should still be summer. And this year has gone quick. Okay, no, it's not okay. $82, so half of what I did yesterday. So 82 yesterday, 27 today. No INRs last night, so that's at least that's good. Since I got one overdue, and this one I shipped yesterday, I just forgot to mark shipped. I do that sometimes. Um, so yeah, I just gotta mark it as shipped and get it off my waiting to ship list. So 100, is that right? 110 in orders going out. Is that a Q33? Q33. If you know, you know. Probably found this in a dollar box, maybe. Let's find out. See if there's anything written on the back. Anything on the tab? No. So, again, I thank y'all for the interest in the card stay. I got the bin box, the 6-inch bin box. That's dialed in and ready for full printing. The 6-inch flip front box is done and waiting for mass printing. The plastic tub is giving me a little bit of fits. I lengthened it, and it's the plastic on plastic. It's not quite staying the way I want to stay. So that one's going to be delayed, I think, a little bit. I got to just noodle through it a little. I have some ideas on how to noodle through it, but it's close. I left it upstairs, and it's weird that I have both the Sterilite square bottom one, and I have another one. I don't think it is Sterilite. It's shaped a teeny bit different. It fits better on the non-Sterilite one. It still fits on the Sterilite one. I have to modify the bottom a teeny bit. But it's both of them is still there's a sliding issue I need to deal with somehow. So I got some ideas. So that's going to be delayed for right now. I do want to get the other ones up. Hopefully today. It was raining and yucky yesterday, so I didn't get the pool closed. And I looked out this morning, and my pool's froze. I have the filter off. Thankfully, it's not running, but it's frozen over. And then sometime overnight, I guess we had some wind because I still have my umbrellas out there too, like an idiot. And one of my umbrellas is now under the ice. Hey. So it's just that quick freeze overnight. So I'm hoping. I don't think there's any pipe damage. At least I hope not. But I gotta go. I gotta get the oil changed in my truck. Today's just very busy. There's that one. So the only thing I worked on yesterday was where's this go? Was like a informational, like how I send these out with each of my postcards has all my links. I did one of those for the card stay. That way, if I'm at a postcard show, I can just set a stack of the postcards at the front. They always have tables, informational tables at those type of shows, so I can drop. I'll have them on hand, and I got a really good discount on Vistaprint. Really good. If you're a veteran, make sure you sign up for that. Is it Verify Me or something like that? The veterans discounts are pretty pretty good. And I think I've talked before, I don't like using the veterans discounts at like ma and pa restaurants. I just don't. But a big box store and a big online printing company, hell yeah. But no. So anyway, those are coming. They'll be here by the 12th. So yeah, I'm pretty darn close to getting those up and ready. Oh, right off the bat, someone asked me a question about that card yesterday, the size wise, and I don't put in my description anywhere if it's a standard size, but I do put it in the description if it's continental size. Now they were asking what size it was. Here's another international. So I wonder if this is eBay standard envelope or is this a stamp and a prayer? I'm hesitant. I think all my airplane cards are. All my airplanes are stamp and a prayer, but I think all my other postcards are either eBay international shipping. So I'm kind of hesitant to do it with the airplanes because I've built up a following with those, and they're paying $250 a shipping, and for the most part, I don't have too many issues over. I have more INRs in the United States with the airplane cards than I do internationally. In the United States, they go eBay standard envelope with, the tracking. Overseas, they're stamp and a prayer. And with any other postcard overseas, I get a lot of it didn't show up. I don't know why I have that one up, but this is the fat man I needed. Stamp and a prayer overseas. And I'm not getting any INRs. I can't explain it. Don't know. This is. I think I got this either at Dave. I think I got this at Dave's for $1. It's like the Germany's fattest man or something like that. The fat man. And it's greetings from this guy, the fat man. So, the thing is, he's a common fat man. And I can say fat man because I'm a fat man. This guy's he's a little fatter than me. Not much. So, anywho, there's an old one. New Jersey. I got some Christmas decorations up yesterday. Our cabinets in our kitchen don't go the whole way to the ceiling, so there's a 1.5, 2 feet gap. So I'm in charge of putting every Christmas before I started doing something. It was just plain. So I think the one year I put lighted garland up there, and it looked okay. And then like the next year I put lighted garland, and my wife collects these. They're called Buyer's Choice Carolers. I mean, she hasn't collected them for years, but we have a couple hundred in the house. Just sitting in totes. So one year I started, I said, hey, let's put those up there. So they have all these little carolers. I mean, I don't know, they kind of remind me of that kid with the scream. So if you're not familiar, this is what they look like. I guess they're whimsical, but some of them, here's a bolo for you. At least they used to be a bolo. There are some that can go fairly well. This lady started, I don't know, 30, 40 years ago making these out of like clay and selling them out of the back of her car. And now she, sells a boatload. So if you find them at a yard sale for $1 or $2 or $5, that might be something to pick up. See, I know a little bit more than just postcards. New Jersey, East Orange. Now, did I file it under E? I think I did. There's that one. Oh, to-do list today is pack, shower, oil change, pool, Etsy listings. That's my. Oh, I know what I was gonna say. So finish. My thought was, yesterday I put up. Started this a couple years ago. Little fake Christmas trees that light up and they're decorated. So I put several of those across the top of my kitchen cabinets, and then one year I did poinsettias, real poinsettia, the little ones you get for a couple bucks at Lowe's or something, and they look good, but I didn't water them for a month, and when I took them down in January, they were all dry and crumbly, and all the leaves crumbled off. So now I bought, I think it was at clearance after Christmas, I bought fake poinsettia like clusters. So it looks okay. It's something. It's festive. So that was my day yesterday. Oh, the informational postcard for the Cards Day, because you figure most older folk at postcard shows, not online. Oh, did I not mark this ship? I thought I marked this ship. Oh, what am I doing? Shipped. Oh, I don't wonder why it's still on there. That was weird. You know, most old people at postcard shows don't. They have like flip phones. And they may have an email address. So I put to capture them too. Hopefully they will put my P.O. box number on there and like a price list. So I don't know. Who knows? I mean, I got 250, 300 like, hey, yeah, I want this many type from just 2 days showing it on YouTube, and I'm a very, very, very small potatoes guy on YouTube. And again, a lot of the older people don't watch YouTube. Sarah. Didn't I have a Sarah up here already? Maybe not. Oh, I forgot to pull that one. I think HG. Oh no, I pulled it. It's an F4, isn't it? F103. But I don't know. I think there's a market for it. You know, I've been to enough antique malls and been through enough postcard boxes at antique malls, and it's an issue there where they're sliding everywhere. So, you know, I could go into an antique mall and just take one, put it in their box with my contact information. See if that would drum up any business. See the big stack in the back? That's that card right there. So don't have to worry about relisting that one anytime soon. And eventually I'll get to the point where I just say, hey, the Cards Days are available, and that's that'll be it. Oh, we're almost done. AI. This card here, large letter greetings from California. It's a chrome. Back when I was having a problem, because this was like $1.99 at one time, something like that. And all the scammers who were building up their feedback scores so they can then, you know, be like a trusted eBay seller with higher than, 10 feedback. They would always buy this card and have it shipped to a bogus address. I've talked about this in videos. And they would leave me positive feedback before they even got the card, knowing that it wasn't going to show up. That's a bad address. And then I would always get these back in the mail with the little yellow tag, undeliverable. But yeah, that was the most purchased scam card right there. So I think that's it. Do a quick refresh, even though I think I just did. Okay, that's it. What else? Membership, $5 membership, cancel anytime. Thank you for all the new members. Remember, you can cancel, please, and I encourage you to cancel until I get new stuff up. I will work on a video. I got to add that to the list. We'll be adding a video. Haven't worked on it yet, but it'll be like our My Bolos Still Bolos one. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you again, and we'll see you tomorrow.